How to use Photoroom without an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this application without logging in. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this content button. Tap on content. So as you can see, I have not been logged in. So I'm logged out and none of my account is logged in. So you can easily create and edit your photos. Simply tap on start and on this plus icon and you'll be able to edit your images easily. So the only problem without logging in is that you will not be able to save it in your personal space or your personal email. So that's the problem. Otherwise, you can directly save it to your mobile device without any problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.